All right, I want to give you an inhaler blend. Now I'm going to give you diffusing blends as well. I'm going to give you a couple of different blends in your notes. But I want to show you an inhaler blend that is just profoundly... Let's say your child is going back to school and they've got anxiety, or maybe there's a test coming up, or a school performance. And my son had... he doesn't like speaking in front of, there was a performance in front of the school. Unlike me, I couldn't care less. He gets really nervous. So I made him this blend. Absolutely beautiful for anxiety. Now I'm going to tip them straight into the little inhaler this time. Remember last time I put them into a dish? I'll just show you this method. So you've got the cotton wick in there. All right. So this is a beautiful blend. Now cedar wood. As I talk about in the course, cedar wood is grounding. Cedar wood is profoundly calming and grounding. I think I said somewhere in the course where I talk about cedar wood, how I always imagine just the big, huge, massive, majestic cedar wood trees just sort of going, oh, you're okay. I'm just like getting a big tree hug. Not me being a tree hugger, the tree's hugging me. So that's what they do. That's the effect, well, just one of the effects of cedar wood emotionally. It is incredibly calming. So 3 drops of cedar wood. Go here. 1. Takes a little bit more to get out. 2, 3. All right. I don't know about you, but I just never get sick of these beautiful aromas. Just never. Okay, lavender. Is there anything need to be said? Of course, it's beautiful, calming. 3 drops of lavender. 3. And don't worry if you get one over the, 4 drop in or something like that. Frankincense. Once again, just beautiful essential oil, unbelievably calming, smells spectacular. So we're going to put 2 drops of Calamar there, frankincense. There we go. 2 drops of frankincense and 1 of Roman chamomile. Where is he? Here. So of course Roman chamomile is 1 drop, just 1 drop of that. So there's 10 drops total. Roman chamomile is of course famous for being calming, for anxiety, calming for the skin. So you pop the lid on, or the base I guess. Hang on, wait a minute, what's going on here? There we go, I think, no. Ah, there we go. Whew. All right, so there you are, shake him around. And then you've got this, as I said to you before, this could last for a year, at least 3 to 6 months, as long as your essential oils aren't oxidized and it's not going past the shelf life of the actual essential oils. And depending on how often you use it, and don't keep them in a hot car or anything like that, just like you normally would with your essential oils. And it's just, so maybe say what you do. Now remember, these are just not for kids. These are kid friendly. So remember, this is 5 years and over, but of course you can use them for yourself. Great for if you meditate and pray, and you want to be calmed down. So yeah, so don't forget throughout the course, I'm giving you these with kid-friendly oils, kid-safe oils. But of course, all of these, all of these are perfectly great for you to use, of course. And so for an adult, you could put in 15 instead of 10. So you can up the drops by 5. So, but absolutely gorgeous. I'm keeping this on hand. So this is a wonderful anxiety and blend for anxiety, and you'll see diffuser blends. Now, of course, you can use this in your diffuser as well. This is not just for this. Remember, you can use this, blend this up, and put a few drops in your roller bottles. You put them in carrier oils for massage, and so on and so forth. As long as you stick with your dilution rates. Remember, this is 10 in here for children, which is about what you want. So you blend that up. You could use that in your diffuser for 10 drops if you want to just drop them in separately. So it's, all of this is there for you. You can mix and match, put them into carrier oils, put them into inhalers, just get your dilutions right, and say, don't forget to use them on yourself.